In many web pages, you'll usually find that there is a main element, and inside that element, there are children. For example, in many web pages, you'll find that there is a div, and then inside that div, there are many children. There are many elements, such as a paragraph tag, image, link, maybe ordered list, or any other tags. So what we want to do is that we want to be able to access a specific element or group of elements. For example, suppose that we want to get this div. How can we do that? Well, it's very simple. We know how to do that just by using the find all. By using the find all, you can pass the div that you want to get, the element that you want to get. We want to get the div. And then since this div has an ID and it also has a class, a unique class, then you can here say comma and then ID and then the name of the ID, which is D2. Now if you save and run our application, you'll find that we got that div, but we did not get that div alone. As you can see, we did not get that div alone. We got the div and we also got the children, all children of that div, not only the div. So this is very important. You need to know that if you get a parent, if you are interested in a parent, you will also get the children of that parent, not only the parent alone. But what if you want to get a child of that parent? Well, it's very simple. You can specify that child by passing the name of that child element, for example, the paragraph, and then the ID, P2. And now if you save and run, you will get that child alone. But this is not the only way to get a child from a parent. This is not the only way, because sometimes you might want to get the parent first, and then after you get that parent, you might be interested in a child. So for example, if we are interested in this div first, you can get that div, and then D2. As you can see now, if I save and run, you are going to get that div with all its children. But after that, you might be interested in, let's say, the A tag, this A tag. Then how can you get this A tag from this find all? Well, you can, here first you can say, you can use the square brackets and then 0, because this is a list, an array or a list. So first we want to kind of fetch what's inside that list by using the index, which is 0. And then you can use dot and then the name of the tag. For example, you might want to extract out the A tag. Then here you can pass A. You can call the A and then save and run. And as you can see, you are going to get the A tag alone. You might be interested in the paragraph. Then you can say dot and then P and save and run, and you are going to get the paragraph tag. You may be interested in the image. Then you can say image and save and run, and it's going to return the image. So this is how it works. This is very, very important. This structure is very important because sometimes we will be interested in a parent, and then we might want to get a specific element from that parent. So you can get the parent first, and then later you can extract out and pull out a specific element from that parent.